We've got a Volvo, what is it?
242.
242 DL. And we've got a Honda, it's a 1500 DX Civic. It's a Generation 2 Civic. Now, I actually owned a 1968 Volvo wagon. It was a 145. It was a one-year-only model. It had 69. They changed the grille, and 68 was the very first year they had a square Volvo.
Yep.
Before that, they were rounded.
Yep. The Amazons.
So I owned that in 1980, and I bought it for like $500. It was my commuter car. I had that. I had two commuter cars. I went from Portland to Camas. And my commuter cars, I had to drive them without the 205 bridge, right? No 205 bridge yet.
Had to come over to I-5.
Yeah, and luckily I lived close in. Oh, I got to get, you want to open mine?
Yeah.
Go inside, it's, you pull it and it opens the other way. It comes up, you'll see on the left. Cool. So mine obviously is a 1.5 liter, right? And they came with a 1200, they came with a 1.2, and they came with a 4-speed and a 5-speed. So yours is automatic?
No, it's a manual.
Now, was it standard? Was it stock automatic?
It was stock automatic.
Oh, okay. Now, what motor's in it?
4.8 liter out of a Silverado.
Really? Yeah. Holy cripes. So what does that do? Can you go pretty fast with that thing?
It's pretty fast.
Oh my gosh. So that's made for a much heavier vehicle.
Yeah.
Did you put it in?
I did, yep.
That is so freaking cool. How long ago?
Well, yesterday was the first day it was running.
Really?
Yeah.
Now, what made you decide to put it in a Volvo? Did it just,
I've always loved Volvos, so
cool.
That was the easy part. And then,
cool.
Putting the engine in is actually pretty simple. So
now, where do you do this work at?
In my driveway.
Really?
Yeah.
That is so cool. I love it. That is awesome. So, what motor is it again?
4.8 liter Chevy Silverado.
So what is that in cubic inches?
293, I think.
293. And that's from a what year Silverado?
06, I want to say.
Wow. That is so cool. Now, what do you do? Do you do this for a living? Do you do just for fun, right?
Just for fun.
That's cool. That is cool. I love it. And you're here in Vancouver?
Yep.
Wow.